Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this purple gradient smoky eye situation that I have going on. I really love this look. I say that about every one of my looks because I don't think I'd post them if I didn't like them. I haven't done anything like this because this is definitely a more like a gradient look. It starts off light and it kind of like gets darker, more like an ombre situation going on. Whenever I'm using color, I love using purples and greens just because I have hazel eyes and these colors usually tend to make my eye color really pop and look really out there. So this purple look is definitely for my brown-eyed babies. Definitely a more matte eye, which is a little bit different because I usually don't ever do matte eyes. But I really love how it turned out and I hope you guys do too. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So as usual, I'm going to go ahead and jump right in with some eyeshadow primer. This is the Mercier Eye Basics eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my eyelids and smudge that out with my fingers until it is nice and blended. So I'm going to be grabbing this Kat Von D Shade in Light Contour Quad. This is the Plum one. So I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, which is a muted pink, almost like light mauve shade here. And I'm just going to buff that in my crease, windshield wiper motions, and kind of just all over my eye area. I'm really using this to kind of set that primer. And then I'm going to jump right into the darkest shade of this little quad, which is that deep plum shade here. I'm going to be taking the Morphe M505 brush, which is a little tapered at the top, which really lets me get in there and define my outer V. And again, I'm strictly placing this darker color just on my outer V. That's what's going to create this like smoky, kind of like cat eye effect when you have most of the drama on the outer corner. And I'm just going to continue building up that plum shade until I get it to the level of darkness that I want it to be. I'm going to grab a little bit of concealer here on this flat definer brush, and I'm just going to use this to really clean up that inner corner in the center of my eye. The reason I'm doing this is just to really make sure that that inner corner is as bright as it can possibly be and that I have a very clean canvas to work with. It's almost like you're doing a cut crease without actually having to cut the crease, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to grab this medium plum shade right here that you see from the quad, and I'm just going to apply that right into the center of the lid. And what that's going to do, it's going to start creating that gradient effect where I started off light and I kind of worked my way into a darker plum shade. So it all starts off with applying the darker, and then now I'm applying the medium color shade, and now I'm going to apply that light, really light, you can't even tell it looks white, but it's just a really light purple, and I'm just going to apply that to the inner corner. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Salon Perfect 615 lashes. I love these. They're really pretty. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. Mine is in the shade number 8 Golden Neutral. So I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and cream contour and highlight. I'll let you guys know right now, there is already a video on my channel where I went into depth with everything that I did, my technique, all the products that I used, how I did it. It's a full-on talk through and I show you guys exactly how I did everything. I will put an annotation card somewhere around here to link you guys to that video, so go check that out if you're interested in seeing how I did this. I'm just going to set my face with some Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. I love this product. You guys know I rave about it way too much. I just need to just stop talking about it because I just talk way too much about it. But I'm just using this to set my face. And now I'm just going to go in with blush. I'm using the Milani Baked Luminoso blush. I really love this one as well. I'm just going to apply that to apples of my cheekbones. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Balm's Mercier Luminizer. This is like an OG for me. I used to love this highlighter, and I still do, so I'm really excited that I got to use it again because I totally forgot about it for a second. So no smoky eye is complete until I go ahead and smoke the lower lash line area. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm taking a mix between the medium purple and the dark purple, and I'm just going to smudge that out on the lower lash line area just to create a little bit more of a smoky effect. I usually never like to leave the lower lash line bare like this, so I always put something there. And now I'm just going to run some mascara on my lower lash line. Now to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with the lip color. This is NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. which I thought paired perfectly with this eye because it's the perfect neutral. It's not too warm and it's not too cool. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much going to complete this makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. I really hope you guys enjoyed this purple gradient ombre smoky eye. I really, really love how this look turned out. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. I'm putting out new content every week now, so go ahead and hit that little bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!